Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a sub-bass in FL Studio. Let's get started. First, open up the channel rack. Click on the plus icon to add a new instrument. From the list, select the 3X oscillator. Once the 3X oscillator window is open, you'll see 3 volume knobs. Turn down the volume knobs for channels 2 and 3 because we won't be using them. Now, set the coarse pitch of channel 1 to -24. This will give us the deep sub-bass sound we want. After making these adjustments, you can close the 3X oscillator window. Next, right-click on the 3X oscillator title in the channel rack and select Piano Roll. This will open the Piano Roll window where you can place your notes. Arrange your notes to create the sub-bass line you want and listen to make sure you get that deep sub-bass sound. Once you have your notes arranged, you need to add the sub-bass to a mixer track. Select the 3X oscillator channel, then press Ctrl+L on your keyboard to assign it to a free mixer track. Now, let's add some effects to shape the sound. In the mixer, add the Fruity Parametric EQ to the sub-bass track. Open the EQ and check the frequency range to ensure your sub-bass is in the correct region. If it isn't, you may need to adjust the octave of your bass notes in the piano roll. To clean up the sound, cut off the high frequencies using one of the presets in the Fruity Parametric EQ2. This will help focus the sound on the low end, where the sub-bass should be most prominent. And that's it. You've created a sub-bass in FL Studio. It's a simple process that can add a lot of depth to your music. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.